Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's quick tutorial, we're diving into how to add your Facebook events straight to Google Calendar for 2025. Whether you're juggling work meetings, social gatherings, or family events, syncing them across platforms keeps you organized and on top of your game. This process is straightforward and works on both desktop and mobile, so let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you're logged into your Facebook account. Head over to the event you want to add. Maybe it's a friend's birthday party or a webinar. Look for the three-dot menu on the event page. That's your gateway to exporting. Click on it and select Export Event or Add to Calendar. Facebook will usually give you an option to download an .x file or provide a link. Go ahead and choose that. Now, switch over to Google Calendar. If you don't have it open, just go to calendar.google.com and log in with your Google account. Once you're in, click on the plus icon or go to the Other Calendars section on the left sidebar. From there, select Import and upload the .x file you got from Facebook. If it's a link, you might need to copy it and use the Add by URL feature instead. After importing, double-check the event details like date, time, and location to ensure everything matches. Google Calendar is smart, but it's always good to verify. If you run into any issues, like the event not showing up, make sure your calendars are synced across devices and that you're using the latest versions of both apps. And there you have it. Your Facebook events are now in Google Calendar, making your 2025 schedule seamless. This tip can save you tons of time, so give it a try and let me know in the comments how it works for you. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.